Hi, gel press fans. I did a thing, and this right here is my thing. Get a little peek, I have opened a studio and store here in Littleton, New Hampshire, and I'm super excited to be doing my first gel press video in my studio. And so we actually broke it in this weekend because my grandchildren were here and I wanted to see what it would be like to just let them choose their colors and choose what they wanted to do. And can I tell you, they came up with some pretty cool prints, to say the least. I am going to share with you a few little snippets from our gel press playtime, and I'm also going to create as if I was a child. I'm going to actually use the same colors that they used, but these are the colors that we're going to use. These are Deco Art acrylic paints, and I'm going to have a 6x6 and a 3x5 gel press, and I'm just going to kind of do it the way they did. But before I do that, I want to show you a couple little snippets of them pulling their prints in this super cute one from my grandson Orion, where he was discovering the feel of the gel press for the first time. Meet you on the other side.
It's so squishy and hard.
Does it feel cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big square.
Oh.
It's a big square.
Yeah, it is. What color is it?
Red. Oh, that's great. Got paint on the other side.
Okay, so how cute were those boys, right? How could that not be amazing? All right, so one of the things that I learned about the kids was they weren't really particular on their colors. They're boys, so that's to be kind of expected. However, that was one of them. Another thing was they weren't concerned about how much paint they put on their gel press. I'm probably being quite dainty in comparison to them because basically they just went like that and squished it out as I was in a sheer panic going, oh my God, you don't need that much paint. They didn't even necessarily want to use the brayer. Isaiah just wanted to kind of move it all around with his fingers after he had done a handprint pull that he made for his mama. Okay, and then we have this beautiful color here. And then we have this purple here. Because there is so much paint, this is going to be kind of a rapid pull where I just have a whole bunch of papers here on the side and I'm just going to do a quick wipe over and a pull. Quick pressing down and a pull. And the last one, he kind of let dry because he didn't pull up all of this. So I'm going to set that aside and let it dry. Now, my Orion liked to just spread the paint around on his gel press. He liked this color, which is country red, and he would brayer it all over. And then he'd want another color, which was this one here, which this is Pebble. And this was kind of his favorite part, was just doing this. Just squishy, whooshy, whooshing it all over the place. So I put my stencil down. I'm just going to take this, and I really want to kind of emphasize over here where I know that stencil is. Maybe we'll just get a little bit over here where it's just gonna kind of gently touch. All right, so we're gonna pull that up. Okay, pull this stencil off of here. And we're gonna let that one dry. I forgot to turn my camera back on, but here was my pull from the crazy, way too much paint. I don't care. I'm gonna use my fingers. And that was the final pull. Love, love, love this. So now I'm gonna take this Sea Breeze. Let's put that over here on this gel press because there is still some wet paint over there. So if I can get my whole brayer covered in the paint over here, less brayering I have to do. Okay. Okay, so now we need a sheet of that slightly nicer paper to do that pull. So I hope you've enjoyed my creating looking through a child's eyes, and I hope you have a wonderful, fabulous, creative day. Until we meet again, be creative. Bye.